May peace, blessings and mercies of Almighty be on all of you. I am Professor Khalid Hakim. Today we are going to check the key highlights for JCR Impact Factor 2021. Every year in the month of June, yearly journal citation reports, JCR, from Clarivate is published. This year they have featured some new trends in their report. Let's check the new points featured by the Clarivate in the 2021 JCR Report. 1. This year's edition includes more than 20,000 journals from 113 countries across 5 continents and 254 research categories in the sciences, social sciences, arts and humanities. 2. More than 14,000 journals have at least one gold open access publication, with more than 4,600 being fully open access. 3. New Journal Citation Indicator, developed by the Institute for Scientific Information, IC trademark at Clarivate. This new metric represents the average category normalized citation impact for papers published in the prior 3-year period, providing a single journal-level metric that can be easily interpreted and compared across disciplines. The Journal Citation Indicator will be calculated for all journals in the Web of Science core collection, including those that do not have a Journal Impact Factor, JIF trademark. 4. Early Access Content. The expanded coverage in this year's release will introduce early access articles, reflecting the earliest availability of new research as it appears in the version of record prior to official publication. 4. New User Experience. The 2021 JCR offers a revamped user interface by which the layered, rich data of the JCR can be easily and intuitively explored and visualized. 5. To support objectivity in journal selection and the integrity of the reports, Clarivate has suppressed 10 journals from the JCR this year, without presumption or accusation of wrongdoing, representing 0.05% of the journals listed. Stay connected for more educational videos. Subscribe to my channel.